Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video for auto scaling group. It was getting lengthy, so I'm just creating the videos in parts. So before in my previous video, we covered as a part of dynamic scaling, we covered scale in policy, and a number of instances has been removed. So if we see our auto scaling group, our desired capacity is now 2, minimum 2, and maximum 6. So, and as a part of notifications, we are getting that in the emails. If we check that, so we are getting those notifications. So here it is showing that our auto scaling as a part of EC2 instance has terminate. So it was taken out of service, health checking indicating it has been terminated. So here is the monitor alarm. Alarm CPU 40 is in process. So scale in changing from 4 to 3 and 3 to 2. So you are getting all these notifications in your email. So now let's understand the scale out policy. So we have instances in place too. So let me assign elastic IP to this machine so that we can access this machine. Then what we will do is, let me show you practically. So here we have two machines, right? So for scale out policy, we will, as of now, CPU utilization is very less. As we can see in our CloudWatch, I think it's very less than 1%. So we will put some stress on these servers. There is a stress tool. I'll show you that. So we will put stress on these servers and CPU utilization will go high. Utilization will go high and scale out policy will kick in because we have alarm that in case the utilization, average utilization is greater than 70, then add machines. Okay, so as of now it's 2. So once we put stress on these servers, CPU utilization will go high, scale out alarm will kick in, then scale out policy, dynamic policy will kick in and add one more machine. So this will scale out horizontally like this. So if you understand this concept, let's do this practically. Let me assign elastic IP to this one, 4CA. Elastic IP is remove it from the previous instance. Disassociate IP, disassociate. Associate elastic IP, 4CA, okay, associate. And let's get one more, allocate one more elastic IP to both the machines so that we can put stress on the machines. And demo elastic IP. Stick IP to save. So allocate this associate IP with second machine that is running associate. Okay, so let's get back to our machines. Instances. So if we open this, refresh. So this has been allocated the elastic IP. So let me connect these machines. Okay, so let's connect these machines. So one is 245 and another is 1.31.245. So I have connected these machines and let's go to this one, 130. So let's sudo su. So let me open that commands. So let's install this tool. This is called stress tool. Run these commands, you can run them. Enter, install. Okay, so it's getting installed. Let's go to another machine, 130, 245. So here also again, let's run those commands. use this command. Okay. Then install the stress tool. So if we see another machine, stress tool is done. So uptime. So it's very less as of now. Let's go to another machine. So it's complete uptime. Okay. So let's use another command to put stress on both the machines. And let's go to another machine. Okay. So now what this command will do, this will put 90% of load on CPU for 5,000 seconds. So let's go to our instances and watch this in the cloud, our cloud watch. So here you can see the utilization. So slowly this will start increasing and the utilization will go high. So here you can see healthy host as of now 2. So let's wait for a few more minutes. So once this goes above 70, then our policy will kick in, scale out policy will kick in. Let's go to launch auto scaling configuration. So demo ASG activities. So here we will see once this gets taken. Let's wait for auto scaling average utilization to go above 70. So let's wait for that. Okay, so now you can see our CPU utilization is more than 70, it's around 84%. So let's get back to our auto scaling group. So let's see if scale out policy kicks in. So it will take some time. Let's refresh that target group. So in the target group also, it will register new machines. So as of now, it will show only 2 machines are healthy. So once this policy kicks in auto scaling group, then it will be added into target group of load balancer. So let's see activities. Okay, so we are into our auto scaling group into activity. So here you can see the pre-in service has been kicked in and our scale out policy has been kicked in due to the alarm triggered policy scale out changing from desired capacity 2 to 3. So our scale out policy has been kicked in. Average utilization is more than 91, more than 70%. It's around 91. So you will see all those changes. It has been initiated. So let's see our auto scaling group. So desired capacity has been increased. So let's see instances. So it will add one more instance. Yeah, you can see this one is instance. So this is the new instance which gets kicked in due to scale out policy. So it's getting initialized. Before we were having 2 machines only. So now due to CPU utilization more than 70%, it's adding one more machine automatically. So now you can see how automatically due to the load on the servers, the CPU utilization got more than 70% and automatically one more machine is being added. So once this is done, then we will again review the CPU utilization, average CPU utilization for auto scaling group. Yeah. So it is being initialized. So if we go to our target group in load balancer, so once the machine is ready, here will also start registering. Yeah. So machine is ready and our load balancer has already added one machine. So auto scaling group, demo ASG activity. Yeah. So capacity has been increased from 2 to 3. And if we see our web page, it's still running, right? So I hope you understand the concept now. So if we see our average utilization, so that was the main objective. So let's stop stress on the servers. Exit. And another server, this one. Control C. If we see the uptime, so it's around 83. Yeah. So that was a stress tool that was used to put some stress on the server. So if we watch these, so slowly this will come down, and the utilization it's shown on the dashboard and cloud watch. And healthy host in the load balancer, it has been increased to 3. So you can see all this. So that was the main objective of scale out policy, how we can kick and scale out policy. I hope you understand the concept now. So that's the desired capacity 3. So that was the part of this. So now if we come back to our slide, so we have tested the main part, creation of scale in and scale out policy, then scale in policy testing and scale out policy testing. We have tested all this. Now let's decom this auto scaling process, because what I want to show is this is also again automatic. Automatically all the instances will be terminated. Clear all drawings. So let's get back to our EC2 instance page. Select this, delete. So it is deleting now. If we go to our activities, it will start removing the components from the load balancer. Load balancer will start draining the machines. And once load balancer drains the machine will be terminated from the instances. So that's all automatic. So if we go to our target group in load balancer, demo ASG1. So yeah, you can see draining has been started. So that's you can see this is all automatic. We have just deleted auto scaling group and draining has been started. So once this is done, then we will I'll show you in the instances that they will start getting deleted. So it's load balancer is draining out. Let's go to see the activities in auto scaling group. Activity, yes. So it has asked all the machines to be terminated 320 because we have deleted the auto scaling group, and you will see notification in your email ID also. So if we go refresh it, see the notifications. So this was the alarm triggered for utilization going above 70, increase the capacity 2 to 3. And let me find notification for deletion. So this was again for 70, less than 40. Yeah, this was a triggered desired capacity. Yes. So you will get a notification for this as well. Let's get back to our AWS console. So it has been draining out. Let's see target group. Draining. Okay. So this will start removing the machines as well. So in the meantime, let's remove elastic IP. That's very important because these machines will be terminated, and if you are not using elastic IP, then you will be charged for that. Disassociate another elastic IP and release these IPs. Release them because you don't need them. Okay, let's see instances still running. So as of now, load balancer is draining them. And if we see our CloudWatch, so it's going down and removing the host. So if we see our web page, so this is service is unavailable because we have terminated the load balancer. So still it will take some time for removing the resources. So what I was trying to show is this is all automatic. This has been removed from auto scaling group. All you can see this activity. It has initiated action towards load balancer to drain out the machines. So once this is done, then it will remove the machines as well. So draining is in process. This takes some time. So for all this monitoring, you can go to auto scaling group, and you can see all this activity in ASG activity. So as of now, it's draining. So draining is complete if we see in the target groups of load balancer. If we go to load balancer, yeah, there are no healthy machines. So if we go to auto scaling group, it has started terminating the machines. Go to activity in progress. If we go to instances, yeah, all the machines are terminated. So that was all part of my demonstration for auto scaling group. I hope you have enjoyed it. And these were the steps that we covered in this. And first, we created a web server using Linux machine. Then we created launch configuration. We created auto scaling group. And then we tested the desired capacity that we set during configuration and by terminating the instances. Then also we added load balancer to access the web server over the internet using load balancer DNS. Then we created scale in and scale out policy using CloudWatch alarms. So scale in policy, we tested that, it decreased the capacity. And then we put some stress on the server by using stress tool. So it again increased the capacity from 2 to 3. So in the end, we decommissioned the auto scaling group. Everything was removed automatically. So that was all for this demonstration. I hope you have enjoyed this. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know in case you have any comments, questions, and doubts. Do not hesitate to contact me or put your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. And I'll keep on posting these exciting videos on my YouTube channel. You can please subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the notifications. Thank you very much.